The interactive environment you are about to see is real. In fact, a case has been brought to life to enhance the learning of criminal justice procedures. Here's the lowdown. The crime. The witness.
Put your hands up.
The suspect.
Get him up.
Officer Torres.
What's behind this door?
Officer Franco. And the lieutenant.
Try again, Sergeant.
Two officers respond to the robbery.
This is the police. Open up. We have a search warrant.
The sergeant who's mentoring these two officers? Well, that's you.
Hey, Sergeant.
Anything new?
Your mission: review this case and identify any procedural errors in identification, search, evidence, arrest, and interrogation.
I want to see my wife.
You will have help with this case. Just don't disappoint the lieutenant.
We've lowered the crime rate by half in the last 2 years. I want it even lower.
Here's the surveillance video.
Put your hands up. Get him up. Keep him up.
You've seen the crime. Now it's time to mentor. How did your officers do on their identification procedures, including this photo lineup? They had some issues. Create a lineup that will hold up in court.
Let me take a look. This is a good lineup. You have a good set of headshots in here.
You've reviewed the search warrant. Now it's time to review the actual search.
What's behind this door?
Did your officers follow correct procedure? Even the smallest of errors can lead to inadmissible evidence.
I found drugs in the bedroom, but nothing else.
You're right. You can hide a lot of guns under the mattress or under the bed itself. You should always check that.
Show your officers the search exceptions that are relevant in different situations. Miranda rights. They aren't as simple as they seem.
You have the right to remain silent. Any statements you make may be used.
Yeah, I've heard it all before.
Did your officers administer Miranda correctly? You be the judge.
I need to get out of here. I could give you the main guy if you give me a lighter sentence.
Give us a main guy, and you've earned your lighter sentence.
Were their interrogation tactics by the book?
This is inadmissible. Only the DA's office can commit to a deal.
While mentoring, you always have access to relevant cases, as well as the National Institute of Justice website. It's time to recap the case. You and your officers should now be well versed in the criminal justice process.
We found the weapon. It matched with ballistics from the bullet in the ceiling of the Diamond X.
We also legally seized the drugs. They were in plain view.
Sounds like the officers learned a thing or two. What did the lieutenant think of your involvement in the case?
Great job, Sergeant. You know your information. By the way, the chief was looking for some rising stars to be on Special Task Force. I'm going to recommend you for that.
Looks like you were paying attention. Job well done. This case is now closed. Criminal Justice Procedures, powered by Toolwire.